Hello, I'm John, and this is just the GearHead. In today's episode, we're going to take part in a cold start challenge. Stay tuned. Alright, so like I said, today we're going to take part in a cold start challenge. Andy over at Andy's Doghouse put out a challenge to get guys to start their cars. So it still looks like this outside. So it's still winter here. We've had a few nice days. Today's actually pretty nice. It's only a couple of degrees above zero, but we're going to see if we can get a couple of these things started. We're going to start maybe with the Century, try the Ranchero, and see what else, if we can get to anything else, if there is anything else. The Century's been sitting for about 6 months, I think. Yeah, about that. And the Ranchero, probably about 10, ever since I took the gas tank out of it. So with the Ranchero, we'll probably have to put some fuel down the carburetor to get it to go. But yeah, so we're going to go see if we can get any of these started. Let's go check on the Century and see if we can get that started. Slight problem with trying to get the Century started is the car cover is frozen with the ice underneath it. I don't know if you can see that down there, but yeah. And I don't want to rip the car cover. And it's frozen even worse in the back. So I can get into the side, and I'm pretty sure I accidentally left the battery connected on this one before I covered it for winter. I'm 90% certain, but if it is hooked up, it might be completely dead. Because winter is not good for batteries, especially leaving them hooked up. So I think I'll see if I can squeeze into the driver's side door there and see if we can turn the key on it and see if anything happens. Alright, so sitting 6 months in the cold with the battery still hooked up. Let's see if we have any juice. Oh, we do. Okay, so it turned over. Let's see if we can get it to fire up. Oh, she doesn't want to fire. Oh. Don't know if she'll idle. Oh. Ah, almost. And she idles. There we go. And we have one for the win. Alright. Ow. Okay. I don't know if that got in the shot. So this one's been sitting for, like I said, 10 months. But the gas tank's been disconnected because I was working on the bed. Doing some welding, and well, welding near a gas tank, bad idea. So we're going to put a little fuel down the carburetor. And then I got the key on the on position, so we're just going to try to jump it and see what happens. That's the one I wanted. There it is. Come on. developed a fuel leak. We'll see. Now, a couple of the neighbors wanted to come by and yik yak, so we're going to give this another try. Well, that's 2 for 2, although I have discovered I have a nasty fuel leak now. Show you guys here. So I don't know if you guys could see this when it was running, but yeah, it developed a nasty fuel leak right here. I'm not sure if it's the clamp or if it's the plastic filter, but it's squirting all over the valve cover. I don't want to get on the heads and possibly start a fire, so that'll be all this one gets ran right now until I fix that. But did run, had to bottle feed it because it wasn't hooked up to the gas tank or anything. But she fired right up, so that's 2 for 2. I was going to try to start the 401 nail head as well. And then I remembered, as I was poking around here, when I ran this, what was it, 2 years ago? For that video where I ran it, or had got it running. I ran it a couple of times off camera, and something with the way I had hot wired it, I ended up melting out some of the wiring inside the distributor. So yeah, I need to fix that before I can run this. So this one's a fail. So we have 2 wins and a fail. 2 out of 3 ain't bad, I guess. But yeah, I'll show you the wiring. I'm not sure if I can get you guys down in here enough, but right here, you can see this is all melted and crusty right around the points in here. So I probably had too much voltage running through here because I had the coil hooked directly to the battery. I might have needed a ballast in between it or something. But yeah, probably straight 12 volts going through there when it wasn't supposed to. So that melted all that out. So I'm not going to be able to run this today. So like I said, this one's a fail. But oh well. I guess that'll be it for this one. Alright, so that'll be it for this video. Just a quick little cold start video. We've got 2 wins and 1 fail. Mainly because I forgot that 401 needs a new distributor. I'll have to go look for one of those because I was hoping to actually start that. Oh well. But anyways, that'll be it for this episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.